नियोनेटल केयर विद नियोनेटोलॉजिस्ट सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। नाउ हाउ टू प्रिवेंट दिस रिगर्जिटेशन। सो फ्रीक्वेंट रिगर्जिटेशन इज नॉर्मल, उसको प्रिवेंट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट there are some concerning points where you should be worrying. So when we need to be concerned about this regurgitation or spitting up. The first is when the spitting is not just a small volume but is a large volume and it is happening forcefully, then you need to consider seeing a doctor. Then second, when the baby is not gaining proper weight, in spite and there would be a frequent spitting. And the third, there may be a frequent coughing or a choking kind of a sensation the baby is experiencing, then you have to see the doctor. And fourth is when the baby is arching back like this, that is because of reflux, and to prevent the aspiration into the windpipe, there would be a kind of a Sandifor's postring that will prevent the feeds to enter into the windpipe. So this kind of a postring is also a matter of concern, and you need to see the doctor immediately. And if the baby is having any green colored vomit, then you have to see the doctor immediately. Regurgitation is a normal phenomenon. Sometimes a baby does cries out loudly because of the reflux, because reflux are sometimes painful because it's like most of the time it's an acid reflux. So for all this event, what you can do, right? So physiologically there are some maneuvers which can reduce the reflux or a regurgitation's frequency. One is that small frequent feeding. Okay, you should not feed the baby largely, and frequent burping. So if the mother is giving a feeding to the baby, give a feeding and then give a burping in between, and after a burping again you offer the feed to the baby and go like that. Rather than giving one large volume at one point of time, go with a small frequent feeding that will not distend the baby's stomach and then will prevent the chances of a reflux. Then secondly, you can go ahead with proper burping. So if you are doing a proper burping, you are removing that swallowed air which the baby is having while feeding. So that air would be distending the stomach and then it will be causing more reflux. So if you are burping the baby properly, then you are reducing the chances of regurgitation and the reflux. Then the third is upright positioning. So after feeding, you have to ensure that you're keeping the baby upright for at least 30 to 45 minutes. And in those babies who are having frequent reflux and regurgitation and coughing and choking kind of a symptoms, you can use a reflux pillow, and reflux chairs are also available. You can use that. Then the fourth thing is some prokinetic drugs available which the doctors may prescribe you, then you have to continue those medications. And the most importantly, do not panic. And as I said, if there are concerning points which I have described earlier, then see immediately.